Don't lose your precious memories and important data when upgrading your iPhone. Let's get your iCloud backup ready in a flash. First, ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network now. Navigate to your iPhone's settings app, tap on your Apple ID at the very top, then select iCloud. In the iCloud menu, tap on iCloud Backup if it's not already enabled. Toggle the switch to turn it on. This essential step ensures all your photos, contacts, apps, and settings are saved to the cloud. Now, to initiate the backup, simply tap on Backup Now. You'll see a progress indicator. This process might take a little while depending on how much data you have and your internet speed. So be patient. It's also a good idea to keep your iPhone plugged into a power source during the backup to avoid interruptions. Once your old iPhone is successfully backed up, it's time to switch over to your new device power on your new iPhone and follow the on-screen setup prompts when you reach the Apps and Data screen. Choose the option to restore from iCloud Backup. You'll then be asked to sign in with the same Apple ID you used for your old iPhone's iCloud Backup. Select your most recent backup from the list of available backups. Your new iPhone will now begin downloading and restoring all the data from your iCloud backup. This includes your photos, messages, app data, and settings, making the transition to your new device feel just like continuing from where you left off on your old one. And there you have it. Your new iPhone is now set up with all your essential data, thanks to a seamless iCloud backup and restore happy upgrading.